Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'll be decorating my windowsill as part of the closed collaboration 12 Days of Christmas, hosted by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. I'm gonna be starting here with a garland that I've already fluffed. And then I'm gonna come in with some red velvet ribbon that I got from Walmart, making loops and securing them with the branches. The accessories that I'm going to be using, and I also have my DIY ornaments on that side. Okay, so let's decorate. I'm gonna start with some of these berry picks, and I just folded them in the center, and I'm just gonna tuck those in here and there. I have this one glittery, sparkly stem that I'm going to put right down here in the middle, and then allow those branches to kind of sit up. Here I have just a couple of poinsettias, not many. I don't have a lot of red because I don't usually use red as my decorating color. I have a little Dollar Tree ornament that says joy. Tuck that in there. I have a couple of these glittery red bows. And that one is hanging on a little poinsettia stem. I'm going to tuck that in as well. And just to keep it symmetrical, I have another little bow for the other side. And that one I'm just going to tuck right in to that Christmas ball. And it's a little kind of burgundy, but I don't think anybody gonna notice that except me, you know. But I did have the silver DIY Dollar Tree balls, and I'm just gonna look for an area that needs a little extra something. There. Yeah, I think that might be it. I have these little hangers right there, and they do have gold on the tops, but again, it's such a small bit of gold, and they're tucked into all this greenery. I don't think it's going to be very noticeable. And that is it. I think that looks beautiful, and I'm going to stop right there before it gets to be a little too much. Oh, forgot my DIY monogram ornament. Just gonna tuck one, just one, in each corner here. That. So there we have it. That is the windowsill completed, and I am going to move on. Let me give you a closer look. For my coffee table in the family room, I have a simple red runner, some beautiful tassels on the end. And this beautiful sleigh that I got during the Christmas in July 50% off sale. And another scented candle. This one is called Winter Wonderland. And I haven't lit it yet. I'm going to wait a little while on that one because I have this other beautiful candle burning right now. I hope you enjoyed this close collaboration brought to you by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. Please visit our playlist and enjoy all the videos and get plenty of holiday and Christmas inspiration. Merry Christmas from my family to yours. Until next time.